In this video we will show you how to resolve vibration problem in ultrasonic machine by changing main vibration card. First you will have to remove back cover of your machine. Now remove the connections with tank which is of crystals and temperature sensor. Now disconnect the wires of heater. Now remove the tank as shown. Now remove the main vibration card as shown in video. Now replace main vibration card with new one provided by Doit Impex. Now reconnect all the wires. If you are watching this video on Facebook, like the page, and if you are watching it on YouTube, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.